How to fix no sound issue on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix no sound issue on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your settings. Then scroll down till you find sound and haptics. It's right here. Tap on sound and haptics. Then tap on change with buttons. Turn on change with buttons. And after you've done that, you can head back. After you've done that, what you'll then need to do is you'll actually need to turn off do not disturb mode if you have turned it on. So you can simply swipe down from the top right corner and there you'll see do not disturb. Tap on it and turn it off. After you've done that, what you'll then need to do is you'll actually need to reset all of your settings. For that, tap on settings, go to general, scroll down, and there you'll find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings and you should be good to go. And that's basically how you fix the issue. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.